Meanwhile, 243 outstanding Jamaicans were recognized at the National Honors and Awards ceremony at King's House today for their contribution to nation building. Codian Barrett reports.
Emmy-winning actress Cheryl Lee Ralph, a Jamaican-American, was awarded with the Order of Jamaica, OJ, which is bestowed on citizens of outstanding distinction. She has made sterling contributions as an actress and cultural ambassador for Jamaica.
First of all, I'm thrilled, I'm proud, I'm happy. I thought that the Emmy was everything, but I realized that was the cake. And now this is the icing, and it is delicious.
Also honored from the entertainment sector was singer Agent Sasco for his positive pro-social message to youths through music. This comes just a week after the Broadcasting Commission issued a ban on music promoting scamming, use of illicit drugs, guns, and illegal activities. Culture, Entertainment, Sports, and Gender Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange was awarded for sterling contribution to cultural development and political administration in Jamaica.
It's a great feeling. I'm not just happy that I have received it, but I'm just happy for all those who have received, and particularly the women. I'm really very happy about the fact that the Order of Jamaica was given to the largest number of women ever during our 60th anniversary, and I really don't want the media to take that lightly.
On to economic development, late business stalwart and founder of the Jamaica Money Market Brokers Limited, JMMB, Joan Duncan, who founded the bank in 1992, was awarded for distinguished services to the banking sector and the development of money market. The award was collected by her daughter, Donna Duncan Scott. The heroes from Jamaica's medical sector throughout the COVID-19 pandemic were also honored. Among those recognized was Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Besesa McKenzie for outstanding public service in the field of health.
This is a symbol of the nation's recognition of the entire public health team and the tremendous work that they did over the last couple of months. So I think that the entire public health team is greatly honored, and I, in particular, am very, very humbled to be able to receive this award.
Codian Barrett, TVJ News.